Tropical Depression Enteng, PH. The low-pressure area at east of eastern Visayas has developed into a tropical depression named Enteng. Location of center as of 10 a.m. is at northeast of Borongan City, Samar, with a maximum sustained winds of 45 km per hour. The highest possible wind signal may be signal number 2 or 3. And these are the typhoon signal number 1 under Luzon and under the some parts of Visayas. The track and intensity outlook of Enteng.